If you're experiencing an installation loop on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the device. Begin by performing a simple restart of your Steam Deck. Hold down the power button until the device turns off, then turn it back on. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause installation issues. If possible, switch to a wired connection or move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Clear download cache. Navigate to the settings menu and locate the option to clear the download cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Verify game files. If the issue occurs with a specific game, go to your library, select the game, and choose the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game that is causing the installation loop. This can help reset any problematic installation files. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.